Empty trash from these 7 hidden places on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Today I will take you through 7 hidden places from where you can empty your iPhone's trash. First things first, open the Photos application on your device and scroll down to the recently deleted option and then tap on it. Now tap on the select option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and choose the delete all option you see there. This can free up a significant amount of storage, especially if you delete lots of videos once in a while. Next, you can open Files application on your device and then tap on the Browse option on the top left. Here you will see the option for recently deleted. Tap on it and then go ahead and delete files permanently. Next, in the Notes application, so open Apple Notes and then go back to the home page and then tap on the recently deleted option you see there. Now tap on the edit option and then go ahead and select and permanently delete Notes. Next, open Voice Memos and then go back to Menu and then tap on the recently deleted option there and then go ahead and delete recordings that you no longer need. Next, you can open the Mail application on your device and then tap on the back option on the top left. Here you will see the option for trash. Tap on it and then go ahead and delete all unwanted messages. Next, you can open the Messages application and then tap on the Edit option or the Filters option and then tap on the recently deleted option you see there and permanently remove conversations from the Messages app. Additionally, you can add third-party cloud storage apps such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, as these often have their own trash or recycle bin folders. You can open each app and empty its deleted items and reclaim your storage. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.